Wasikoliku itage na kibla kutoka. Mwibani sito nilimwa.
Tego zamani muno. Kenda kuchiyengura blood bank eno. Mkubala isatu. Ibili. M0. Microphone.
Thank you so much. On behalf of the President of the Republic of Uganda and the NRM government, the Ministry of Health, and the Uganda Intergovernmental Fiscal Transfer Program for Uganda and World Bank have funded this regional blood bank in Hoima. I have officially commissioned it in my names, Nabbanja Aguddewo, Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda. Bank of Arua and Soroti for God and country.
Yes.
Why? I'm showing you few. The rest of the minister.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, your people are very generous. You will save. Thank you so much.
Na presidential advisor Utini Sanatari, Twineo, PA Wamuko, Twineo Hospital Director, Blood Bank Director, Director wa UBTS, Twineo Red Cross Director, Minister of Health, and
I can go maintain the old gym. How long can you drive for 35 days until it expires, but before 35 days.
Okay, can we go back now? Yes. Time. Yes. Back to the venue.
Yeah, we need to go through the regulation.
she's a daughter of the
departments and other senior government officers in our presence.
Good afternoon to you all.
Bank for God and my country. Thank you.
Thank you, the Director Uganda Blood Transfusion Services, and apologies for pushing you, but it's the program and time.
3%. 43 years. Omuntu naafwa. Twaferaga myaka naninga. As we speak now, the minister knows better. I was lively informed that a Ugandan can live, as we speak now, for 68 years and beyond. Emyaka kaga na munana ochiaro. In line with Vision 2040 and the National Development Plan 4, our health sector is focused on building a productive population that can drive socio-economic transformation. Every step, including commissioning this facility, reflects that broader national goal. I would like to take this moment to commend our health workers, headed by their Minister of Health, Madam Jenna Chen. I can't thank you enough. And your team, thank you so much. I also want to thank the ministers. Muhure mumutima kwanyu ni musima Entasimwe bulakuraki Museveni atuhaire gavumenti ya Museveni ebintu ebikusinga yakozeki n'ebitoite ebitakabaire ejja kubikola nabwesonge I want to guard, you know, jealously guarding your treasure. Eriso lyaitu hati itu abantu wa Uganda bona ali Museveni. Uganda is lucky and blessed to have His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni as our president. And I want to sincerely, I'm delighted sincerely to be here with you today and to have this privilege of officiating at this important ceremony. Mpuchigaruka, yet another significant milestone in our region. Earlier this afternoon, in Chikoma, Changwanzi district, we celebrated another milestone. That is the commissioning of 398 health center series established across the country over the past 5 years. This is truly a historic achievement and a testament to the NRM government's commitment to extending health services every corner of this country. The vision of the NRM government is very clear. We want all Ugandans to be healthy, empowered, and capable of earning a living that puts money in their pockets. In that spirit, I'm honored to preside over the commissioning of this regional blood bank, which will serve.
Allow me to congratulate you on these achievements today. Right Honorable, this blood bank is targeting 36,000 units of blood per year. And these 36,000 units of blood, as you heard from the director, is for the 2 million people served by the regional referral, but also the entire Bunyoro sub-region and the overflows from the other regions. Right Honorable Prime Minister, it is true the statistics of this region have been very poor. The health statistics in particular. And this region has a lot of work to do to catch up. You have the infrastructure in place, you have the human resource in place, but you need to do a lot in regards to prevention to have better health statistics, so that you stop leading from the bottom and lead from the top. It is not nice when an oil city that is known countrywide, everybody longs to be part of this oil city, but you are blessed by God to be here. So you need to show it and to earn it by working hard. Right Honorable Prime Minister,